Looking for an adults-only paradise in Jamaica where luxury meets Caribbean charm? Let me take you through everything you need to know about Secret St. James Montego Bay, a resort that has been turning heads and winning hearts since it opened its doors back in 2000. This five-star all-inclusive property sits right on the famous Doctors Beach in Montego Bay, just a quick 15-minute drive from Sangster International Airport. What makes this place special is its commitment to what they call unlimited luxury, which basically means everything is included, and there are no limits on premium drinks, gourmet food, or services. The resort underwent a massive $20 million renovation between 2022 and 2023, bringing everything up to modern standards while keeping that romantic Caribbean vibe intact. With consistently high ratings across all major booking platforms, including a 9.1 out of 10 on Booking.com and 4.5 out of 5 on TripAdvisor from over 8,000 reviews, this place clearly knows how to keep guests happy. It is part of the Hyatt Inclusive Collection, which means you get all those Hyatt loyalty perks if you are into collecting points. The resort ranks number 5 out of 79 hotels in Montego Bay, which is pretty impressive considering the competition in this area. When it comes to accommodations, Secret St. James really does not mess around. Every single one of their 232 suites is at least 420 square feet, which gives you plenty of room to spread out and relax. The smallest option is the junior suite, but calling it small would be misleading because you still get a separate living area, a bathroom with both a rain shower and a jetted tub, and a private furnished balcony or terrace. The minibar gets restocked daily with premium liquors and snacks. You have got an espresso machine for your morning coffee fix, and there is a 55-inch smart TV for those rare moments when you are not outside enjoying the sunshine. Twice daily housekeeping means your room always looks fresh, and the 24-hour room service means you can order whatever you want whenever you want it. If you want a better view, the Ocean View Suites give you full ocean vistas and even include a hammock on your balcony, which is perfect for lazy afternoon naps with the sound of waves in the background. For those who want to take things up a notch, the Preferred Club Junior Suites come with access to an exclusive lounge where you get premium drinks, concierge services, and private breakfast. These rooms also feature hydro spa tubs and upgraded minibars stocked with top-shelf everything. The swim-out suites are exactly what they sound like, with terraces that open directly onto a shared pool, so you can literally roll out of bed and into the water. At the very top of the luxury ladder sits the Hideaway section, which is like a resort within a resort. These suites are over 500 square feet, come with private plunge pools on your terrace, personal butler service, and access to a private rooftop infinity pool. The design throughout is all airy whites and blues with dark wood accents, creating that sophisticated tropical feel that photographs beautifully. Guest photos on TripAdvisor consistently highlight how spacious the bathrooms are and how stunning the sunset views look from the balconies. Prices vary quite a bit depending on when you visit, ranging from around $500 per night for a junior suite in the low season up to $1,800 or more for a hideaway suite during peak winter months. Now let us talk about food, because this is where Secret St. James really shines according to guest reviews. You have got 7 full restaurants and 4 bars to choose from, all included in your rate with no need for reservations at most places. Himitsu is the Asian fusion spot where you can get fresh sushi rolls, teppanyaki cooked right in front of you, and steaming bowls of ramen. They have special sushi nights on Wednesdays that guests rave about. El Patio brings Mexican flavors with tacos, ceviche, and margaritas that one reviewer called the best they had ever tasted outside of Mexico itself. Taco Tuesdays here are apparently a big deal. Oceana is the seafood restaurant right on the beachfront, serving grilled fish and lobster that multiple reviews specifically mention as being divine. They do a seafood buffet on Fridays that is worth planning your week around. World Cafe is your international buffet option, open for all 3 meals with everything from omelet stations at breakfast to carving stations at dinner. They run theme nights throughout the week, like Italian Mondays, to keep things interesting. Seaside is the Mediterranean grill where you can get perfectly cooked steaks and fresh pasta, and they have live music on Thursday nights. The dress code varies from casual to resort elegant depending on the venue, but nothing too strict. The bars, including Desires and Showtime, are scattered around the property and stay open until 2 in the morning, serving unlimited premium cocktails and snacks. What guests consistently praise is the variety and quality of the food, with many saying it exceeded their expectations for all-inclusive dining. A few reviews mention that the pool bars can get crowded during peak times, but the staff keeps things moving efficiently. The fact that you can order room service 24 hours a day from an extensive menu means you are never stuck if you want to eat in your suite. The pool situation at Secret St. James is pretty spectacular. There are 6 different pools spread across the property, starting with the main infinity pool that covers 1,500 square meters and ranges from 3 to 5 feet deep. This one has a swim-up bar where you can order drinks without leaving the water, and it overlooks the ocean for those Instagram-worthy shots. There's a quiet pool for when you want to read a book without hearing splashing and laughter, plus 2 separate swim-out pools that connect to the swim-out suites. The Hideaway section has its own private infinity pool, and there is also a rooftop pool that opened in 2025 and has been getting great reviews for its views and more intimate atmosphere. All pools are open from 7 in the morning until midnight year-round, with towel service, waiter service, and complimentary cabanas on a first-come basis. The beach access is one of the resort's biggest selling points. You get 300 meters of white sand beachfront on Doctors Beach, which is famous throughout Jamaica for its calm, clear waters. The beach is perfect for snorkeling right off the shore, and you can use kayaks and other non-motorized water sports equipment for free. If you want to go out on a catamaran, that costs extra but is available through the resort. Beach waiters come around regularly to take drink orders, and there are plenty of palapas and loungers so you can always find a spot. The water stays calm most of the year, making it safe for swimming even if you're not a strong swimmer. Multiple reviews mention how clean and well-maintained the beach area is, with staff raking the sand daily and keeping everything pristine. Some guests note that the beach can get busy during peak season, particularly around midday, but early morning and late afternoon are usually quieter. The combination of multiple pool options and direct beach access means you have plenty of choices for how you want to spend your water time. When it comes to activities, this resort keeps you as busy or as relaxed as you want to be. The fitness center is equipped with Technogym equipment including treadmills, free weights, stationary bikes, and yoga mats. They offer daily classes like yoga, aqua aerobics, and spin, with the schedule posted each morning. If you want more personalized attention, you can book sessions with a personal trainer. The fitness center is open from 6 in the morning until 8 at night, giving you plenty of flexibility to work out whenever suits your schedule. Beyond the gym, there are various activities happening throughout the day, from beach volleyball to water aerobics in the pool. The resort organizes weekly entertainment including nightly live music, foam parties at the pool, piano bar sessions, and beach bonfires under the stars. The theater hosts shows at 8 in the evening, featuring Caribbean dance performances and tribute bands. Some guests mention that the entertainment can feel a bit repetitive if you're staying for more than a week, but most find enough variety to stay entertained. For those who want to explore beyond the resort, there are organized excursions to nearby attractions. The activities team is generally praised in reviews for being friendly and enthusiastic without being pushy. Since this is an adults-only resort, all activities are designed with grown-ups in mind, which means you will never have to compete with kids for space or deal with family-oriented entertainment if that is not your thing. The Secret Spa by Pavonia is a 35,000 square foot wellness paradise that deserves its own dedicated discussion. This place offers everything from massages to facials to full body wraps, with their signature hot stone massage being particularly popular according to guest reviews. They have 15 separate treatment rooms, so you can usually get an appointment even during busy periods if you book a day or two in advance. The facilities include a sauna, steam room, hydrotherapy circuit, beauty salon, and a relaxation lounge where you can chill out before or after your treatment. They offer couples rituals, which are perfect for romantic getaways, where you and your partner can enjoy side-by-side treatments in a private suite. The spa uses Pavonia products, which are high-end botanical-based skincare items that smell amazing. Hours are from 9 in the morning until 6 in the evening, and you can book treatments through the resort app or by speaking with the concierge. Prices for spa treatments are not included in the all-inclusive rate, which some guests found surprising, but reviews indicate that the prices are reasonable compared to similar luxury resorts, and the quality of service is excellent. The therapists are trained professionals who take time to understand what you need and adjust pressure and techniques accordingly. Beyond the spa, there is a focus on overall wellness throughout the resort. You can participate in morning yoga sessions on the beach, join meditation classes, or work with wellness consultants to create a personalized program during your stay. The resort provides reef-safe sunscreen as part of their sustainability initiatives, which is better for both your skin and the ocean environment. Multiple reviews specifically mention the spa as a highlight of their stay, with some guests saying they went back for multiple treatments during their visit. One of the best things about the location of Secret St. James is how close you are to some of Jamaica's most famous attractions. Doctor's Cave Beach, which is a public beach known for its crystal-clear waters and supposed healing properties, is just 1 kilometer away and costs about $10 to reach by taxi. The Rose Hall Great House is 5 kilometers from the resort and offers tour for around $50 per person. This is a restored Georgian mansion with a fascinating and somewhat spooky history involving the famous White Witch of Rose Hall. The tour run during the day and also offer nighttime candlelit tour if you want a more atmospheric experience. For those who want to see one of Jamaica's most iconic natural attractions, Dunn's River Falls is about 18 kilometers away. The resort can arrange shuttle service for around $80, or you can book it as part of an organized excursion that includes a guide and transportation. The falls are a series of natural limestone steps that you can actually climb, and it is one of those must-do Jamaica experiences. Closer to the resort, you can explore the hip strip in downtown Montego Bay, which is the main tourist area with shops, restaurants, and bars. The resort also offers its own excursions, including catamaran snorkeling trips where you sail along the coast and stop at good snorkeling spots, and rum tasting experiences where you can learn about and sample different Jamaican rums. Having these options nearby means you can balance relaxation at the resort with exploration of the local area. Some guests mentioned that they never left the resort because everything they needed was right there, while others appreciated having easy access to authentic Jamaican experiences beyond the resort gates. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.